So right, the case study of today, which I am taking responsibility for, is a factory revitalization. They have this situation where they are given an old factory, an abandoned factory, and they have to come out with an idea that will bring life to this factory. What's making the task fun for them is that they have total freedom. So you just have this abandoned Brunswick mill, which is a building, and they can do with it whatever they want, literally. So it frees their imagination completely. They can be creative to the 100% level.